tama.
Hello, madam.
Nakainis naman to.
What's your name? Are you gonna have a belly piercing tonight?
Today.
Hey, how about you, miss? What's your name again?
I'm Jazz.
I'm Jess.
Yeah.
You look like Jess, really.
Yeah.
Do you gonna have what you call this? Piercing?
Yeah, I have.
Do you have? Can I see it?
And here.
Oh my booty!
And I have here also.
Oh, that's good. How about you? Where's yours?
I'm starting it.
No, not yet.
Aray, sakit.
Nice belly, huh?
Sakit na lang? Gawin na ako sakit.
Are you pregnant, mom?
No. Only baboy.
Oh, okay. Say goodbye.
Ito na, dito.
Say goodbye, doll. Bye-bye.
Nagalaw ko. Yan na
Oh,
yun.
not yet. Yan. This is how do we do piercing? Yeah. Yeah. That's what you hold the forceps, and then that's the needle, and then it will. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, see that?
Done.
Yeah, it's fucking done, baby. Don't you damn move.
Ano ko marunong? Di syempre meron na ako. Anak naman siya magdugo dyan. How about my face?
Who? Does it hurt?
Yes.
Parang yung injection.
A little bit.
Kamali ka ng injection. Yung dugo.
Ouch.
Is that your first time, baby?
Yes, it's my first time.
You're a virgin.
Of course, I am.
She's virgin for 24 hours only.
What? What are you saying?
She's virgin for almost 24 hours.
Are you man?
No.
She's virgin.
He or she?
Are you deaf?
Can I see yours?
Mine? I don't. I have here.
No, you're what? You have a piercing in your what you call this? Nipple?
I have.
Does it hurt?
No, it's not. Okay na siya daw. Hindi na siya sakit.
You're done, baby.
Look, there's a blood.
No, that's alright. Yeah.
Di ba may gamot yan? Binibili.
Kapag sa dila niyo mo dyan. Okay lang.
Can I see?
Magkano yan?
Yeah. You have a long tongue,
Magkano yan?
baby.
Yeah.
I love your tongue.
I'm expert.
Magkano yan dyan?
You love to
Magkano
eat?
yan
Yeah,
ba?
I love.
Magkano?
Ito?
You love eating?
Yeah, she love eating.
Banana.
Bananas?
Yes.
How about saba? You eat saba?
It's too hard to, you know. It's so.
That's my favorite.
Is that your favorite? Your side's like a banana.
Yeah, saba.
May I? Cut it off.
And this one is what you
What?
He's ampalaya. It's like an ampalaya. Yeah. Ampalaya.
Very interesting, huh?
Okay, bye-bye.
Then,
You're done, baby. Say goodbye.
Paglalagyan mo siya ng ng
Ganda nga ito.
petroleum,
anong klaseng petroleum?
Vaseline lang,
Vaseline. Pwede ibang yan?
Baby.
baby oil.
Baby petroleum. Baby Johnson.
Vaseline ba tayo mo, no?
Tapos dito sa bar.
Say goodbye, baby.
Ganun mo siya.
Oh,
Ganun
siya.
lang.
You're going to cut it off, baby.
Tapos ipasok mo.
Ganun lang. Huwag mo sayang
Enough na. Bye-bye. Adjust.
Ganun, yun lang.